Meaning of guerrilla.
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 Guerrilla. Guerrilla refers to a member of an irregular military force, typically operating in small groups in occupied territory to harass and undermine the enemy. The term originated from the Spanish word guerra, meaning warfare. Guerrilla warfare is characterized by surprise attacks, sabotage, and hit-and-run tactics, often in areas with difficult terrain. These tactics are used by smaller, less equipped forces against larger and better equipped opponents. Despite their disadvantages, guerrillas can be effective at wearing down and ultimately defeating occupying forces. Overall, guerrilla warfare represents a form of asymmetric warfare where tactics and strategy play a significant role in determining success.